Bitcoin ATM installations record low in May, biggest drop since 2019 over the past 5 months since January. Bitcoin ATM installations saw a gradual slowdown, eventually falling 89.75% from December 2021's 1971 new installations. News Bitcoin, BTC, ATM installations across the globe have seen a steep decline throughout the year 2022, with May recording just 202 new BTC ATMs, a range last seen 3 ago in 2019. Over the past 5 months since January, Bitcoin ATM installations saw a gradual slowdown, eventually falling down 89.75% from December 2021's 1971 new installations. However, data from Coin ATM Radar reveal an evident comeback in the installation numbers as the world saw 817 Bitcoin ATMs getting installed in June, in just the first 5 days. Some of the key factors contributing to the slowdown of crypto ATM installations include geopolitical tensions across the world, unclear or anti-crypto regulations, market saturation and business impact due to the ongoing coronavirus pandemic. Coin ATM Radar's data confirms that the United States is home to 87.9% of the total 37,826 crypto ATMs worldwide. Europe, as a continent, houses a network of 1,419 ATMs, representing 3.8% of the global ATM installations. Crypto ATM manufacturer Genesis Coin maintains its position as the leader in terms of the market share, representing 41% of the total operational crypto ATMs across the globe. Other manufacturers with prominent market share include General Bytes, 21.6%, BitAccess, 16%, CoinSource, 5.4%, and Bitstop, 4.7%. Related, Bitcoin Lightning Network capacity crosses 3,900 BTC, marking a new earth, while real-world challenges may follow. The URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.